Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just unboxed this huge pallet behind me, as you can see. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about the condition, show you some of the good items that are going to be awesome in here, and tell you exactly how much money I think I'm going to make from this. All right, let me tell you exactly what I paid for this bulk.com pallet of uninspected returns. This was a general merchandise pallet, bath and bedding, kitchen and appliance, Fisher Bounty, Nintendo, etc. It retailed originally for $2,500. I paid $350, and then I added $76 in shipping because this was a special situation where I was allowed to go pick up from the bulk.com warehouse. This is not normally something that they allow customers to do, but I was kind of guinea pig, and they're seeing if it's a possibility in the future that you could do. But if you were to buy this on the website, you'd pay $350 plus $200 in shipping it to you plus the tax. And so it has 90 items in it, which averaged for a regular customer, the average would be about $6 an item. For me, ended up being about $4.75 per item. So let me tell you exactly what I think I can make. I believe in this case, in this pallet, that I can make about, I went through all the stuff, and I'm going to make conservatively, I may be able to get a little bit more than this out of it, but conservatively, I think I can make $768. I take away my $426, and I'm going to make about $342 in actual profit. Okay, but let me show you some of the easy items that are going to be easy to sell because I can send them into Amazon.com. That's always my go-to platform, simply because once I ship it off to the warehouse, poof, it's gone, money just rolls in. Believe it or not, these were originally $35. They're selling for, I think, around $18 after fees. I can make $10 a piece on these. $150 right here because I got 15 of them. So $150 just in shave cream kits. This has never been opened. It's a Cricut wireless. It's still got the seal on the back. $70 right here. These textured, if you want to see the whole unboxing of each individual item, go ahead and check my, at the end of this video, I'll link the main, the first video that I did where I unboxed and showed you everything. These are textured wall stickers. These I can make $10 a piece. And they had a really great sales rank. They make your wall basically look like white brick. And so those I can make $10 a piece. This little robot guy, I can make $44 on this little robot guy. And so there's a bunch of stuff that I can definitely make right off the bat, instantaneous money. But uninspected returns is exactly that. You got the nice things that look brand new like this, and then you have boxes that look like this. Okay, this is a metal detector. Definitely worth some money if it's in working condition, but it's now adding extra work to me, and it's adding extra time. Time is money in this business. So I'm going to have to test this metal detector, and yeah, I might be able to make some money off of it, but now I have to test it, and it's a lot of extra work. I can sell it on my own Shopify store. I can sell it at a garage sale. This Cuisinart box, come over here and look at this. I mean, this Cuisinart, there might be nothing wrong with this new air fryer toaster oven, but I can't send it into Amazon. There's just no way, not in the condition that this box is in. And so I may be able to sell this for $20 all day long if it works at a garage sale, or $50 on my Shopify store. And so there's ways that, yes, I can sell it. You cannot be a one-trick pony when it comes to reselling. You have got to sell on multiple platforms. If I bought this pallet and thought I'm selling only on Amazon, I wouldn't make my money back at all. And so conservatively speaking, my $768 that I think that I can make on this pallet is across to all of my platforms. And so I have to put in a little bit of extra work, but it's totally worth it in order to make the extra cash. So when you're looking at pallets to buy from bulk.com, just take into consideration, okay, not just one place do I need to sell this. Also, I kind of teased you on the first video, I got this really nice plush weighted blanket that weighs a ton, and I know it doesn't look like, but I'm straining a little bit to pick it up. So I actually did weigh it, and drum roll please, it weighs 18 pounds. So when you put this on your bed, you're going to be nice and cozy and warm, or you won't be able to breathe because it weighs too much. So for those of you who live basically north of me, you might want to buy these, especially if you live in Minnesota or South Dakota or Michigan or New York, any of those cold places. So So that's awesome. That one's in really good condition. It's not currently on the Amazon platform via the barcode, but I'm going to kind of do my handiwork and see if I can't find it by its name, brand, or title. So you got to be creative in the way you find things on the Amazon platform as well. Not always does the barcode work, but you want to make sure you're listing the exact item. So make sure all the specifications are exactly the same as what you've got right in front of you. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can earn off of a bulk.com pallet of uninspected returns. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.